pretty girl. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video here on the Pretty Lounge YouTube channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you are in tune with what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. All right, so let's get into this video. So I will be doing a half braids, half crochet install. Most people do like half braids, half install, like a sew-in in the back, but we're gonna do crochet in the back because it is more cost effective, but it gives the same look. So she is a cheerleader in high school. This is my client Harmony. And yeah, she was getting ready for a game and she just needed something cute, you know, to get her through while she's cheering at school. So I went ahead and braided down the back. As you can see, this is like my normal braid down pattern. If you watched all of my other videos, this is how I like to braid the back down for a half up, half down, or any type of half install, okay? So I went ahead and did that, gave her some oil. I did use the tea tree anti-tension oil from Design Essentials. I crocheted the end of that braid into her other braid so that she has a seamless base in the back. So we'll be using Freetress Deep Twist and a number 27, and then she also had some braiding hair, just one pack of braiding hair, also in that color, number 27. So she sent me a picture. She actually grabbed that picture from another one of my tutorials on YouTube and on Instagram and on TikTok. If you're not following me on those sites, you should be. But I did this style before with sewing using curly bundles in the back, and she wanted to do the same thing, but she wanted to use crochet hair instead. So again, we are using the Freetress Deep Twist. She brought in 3 packs of that, and then she brought in 1 pack of braiding hair so that I could feed in the front, and the braids could fall down, you know, against the crochet hair in the back. So as you can see, I am stitching the braids in the front, sort of like the inspo picture she showed me. And yeah, we're just gonna get it popping. If you're not a big stitcher, it's okay. I want to let you know that it comes with time. The best thing that you could do is just to keep going. I have nails on, and honestly, I prefer to braid with nails because it helps me to create these parts. It just helps me to braid in general. But if you have braids, you can use your pinky or your pointer finger to help create the stitch lines for you. If not, you can use a comb. But if you are just now getting good at stitch braiding, what I would advise is just to keep practicing. Even if you feel like you're doing it and it's not showing up, keep going till the end of the braid, and I promise you, you're going to see those lines start to form for themselves. It's weird. It's like you're doing it and you're like, I can't see it. But if you just keep going, it will come. So this is the top braid style pattern. It came out really cute. I'm just gonna braid those ends down, and I'm gonna attach the crochet hair on the ends of the crochet braids, on the front of the cornrow braids, just so it'll have the same effect as the curly hair in the back. So that hair that she brought was kind of long, so I feathered it out a little bit, and then as you can see, I'm just adding in that crochet hair so that it can have curly ends, just so it can blend with the back. So once I add in the curly hair to that braid, any little excess braiding hair that's popping out, because I did feather the ends, it's kind of like a blunt feather. I had to go ahead and cut that off so to be a seamless braid and it don't have little pieces of hair sticking out. So this hairstyle is really cute. This is one of my favorite, hairstyles. I mean, it's cute. It's great for vacation. It's good for a summer style. It's just cute all around, very, very cute. I am going to lay her edges using the Pretty Lounge Edge Control. I use this in all of my videos. This is our #1 product at the Pretty Lounge right now because, baby, the Edge Control gets the edges laid, okay? It gets the edges laid. When I tell you it gets the edges laid, let me tell you again. It gets the edges laid, okay? There is no buildup with this product. That is the #1 thing that I love about our Edge Control, is that you can put it on day after day and it will not gunk up on your edges. Literally the next day it just disappears. It's like you never put on Edge Control, but you do get the 24-hour hold that you need when you put it on. But when you wake up the next day, there's no residue, and that's what's most important about Edge Control. Sometimes it gets a little gunky and then you feel like you combing out your edges because you're trying to get all that product up off your edges. The Pretty Lounge Edge Control is not like that. It really smooths into your hair. It'll hold it for the 24 hours, and then baby, it just disappears, so that your edges are ready for relay the next day without all that gunky residue. So as you can see, I have those edges laid. She was loving it. We're going to go ahead and use some Vigorall Mousse. I'm going to tie down the front of her hair so that it is molding very nicely as I crochet the back. So yeah, just stay tuned for me to finish this video. Like I said, this style is very cute. I have her front molding down and I'm now crocheting the back. So just stay tuned for the final product. I have finished installing the crochet hair in the back. I am just now trimming the ends and trimming the front pieces to match the length of the back of the hair. You want to make sure you get off all those frizzy pieces. Add some mousse if you need to help tame the curls, because you know you are splitting that crochet hair when it is time to install it. So just to take away the frizz, you're going to go ahead and use a little bit of mousse and then tame up all of that frizz with the mousse. We are removing that wrap paper off the top, and baby, when I tell you this hairstyle is cute, my girl Harmony was loving it. She was feeling herself. We're gonna go ahead and apply some holding spray to the front of the braids just to give her some longevity. But yeah, it's giving very much cute hairstyle, okay? She was excited to go to her game so she could show off her hair. And yeah, this is the finished product. So we got stitch braids at the top, and we did crochet in the back. It's giving very much bundles, but it's not. It's crochet. I believe these packs are like $4.99 a pack, so it's a very cost-effective hairstyle that you could do using hair from your local beauty supply. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel here at The Pretty Lounge so you can keep up with what's popping at The Pretty Lounge. I hope to see y'all next time. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I hope that y'all have a great day.